Hi everyone, welcome to ITPK. In today's simple and quality tutorial, I will show you how to use Chat GPT 4 for free. Whether you are looking for help with writing, brainstorming ideas, or just have fun chatting, Chat GPT 4 is a fantastic tool that can enhance your creativity and productivity. So it's not about only Chat GPT 4, but we will see and learn how we can use other models of Chat GPT, including 3, 3.5, 4.0, or any other model, totally free. And not only these models, we will also see that how we can use any models of Gemini AI for free. Also, in this video, we will learn about using Claude AI, Claude Sonnet, Claude Echo. This will include all of those models. So now basically we have allowed few of the queries in free version of ChatGPT website, either it's Claude or it's Gemini. So today we are going to see how we can use ChatGPT for free and unlimited. Once you get this free version, you can use it for your SEO, for your blogging, for your content writing, or for your fiber keyword searching, or any other purpose. Or if you are a developer and you want to use it into your VS Code, you can also get this extension into your VS Code, and this will help you to fix your VS Code perfectly. So before proceeding, please make sure you have liked and subscribe ITPK. So let's go on the screen and let me close all these tabs. Here on the Google, just type pieces and press enter. At the top, you will see pieces for developer. Just open this link and you will be taken to this page. Once you are at this page, you can go to get started, and here we need this for our Windows because I'm using Windows computer here. So let's go ahead and select the window. Now on this page, if you can see, this is available for Mac, Linux, VS Code extension, web extension, and a lot of other features down below. So let's go ahead and download Pieces Suite installer for my Windows 11. Let me give it the path to download folder and click save. Pieces has downloaded. Let's go ahead and start installation. I'm doing all of the step in front of you that will make more convenient for you to perform all these steps. So I want to select launch when ready, and I want to go ahead and install Pieces Suite. Getting the system ready for install. Let me stop the video and I will start video again. Okay, the installation is complete and now it's asking let Pieces Suite access diagnostic information about your app. No, for now I want to select no. And welcome to Pieces for Developer. You are about to get up and running. How do you want to get started? So let's select the automatic install. Okay, that's perfect. We have installed Pieces for Developer, and here is the light theme, and here is the dark. I always like light theme. I wanna unselect share crash data and go ahead and click on get started. Set up your personalized pieces for pieces experience. First up, tell us a little bit about yourself. So let's go ahead and skip all of these settings without wasting time. Again, I wanna skip, and here I will connect my Google account that is free, right? If you remember or if you wanna know about signing up with Google account for ChatGPT, for Pieces or for Claude, that is totally free. Okay, I am going to accept this, and please note that by setting up this free account, we have an advantage that our AI assistant will remember our preferences and interests. All set, you are logged in. That's perfect. Get started. Okay, now this is completing our setup. Welcome to Pieces. That's great. That's perfect. we have successfully set up pieces. Basically, this pieces is more for programmers and developers, but we could use it perfectly for SEO, for content writing, and many other purposes. Okay, now you will see this interface once pieces is installed, and let's go here. Cloud 3.5 Sonnet is selected here, and make sure to run it on cloud. Don't run it on device because this will take much performance and power of your computer. So here, once we came in this option, manage copilot runtime, choose between different LLMS and runtimes. Now we can see that in pieces we have different LLMS, right? GPT 3.5 Turbo, 4 Turbo, 4, 4.0, register custom API access, and GPT 4.0 mini. We can toggle between these. And also we have, as I explained you, Gemini Pro Chat, Gemini Flash, Gemini 1.5 Pro. Here we have the Claude variants like Claude 3 Hecko, Claude 3 Opus, Sonnet, and 3.5. And also we have Palm 2 variants. We can switch between here. So now here let's try to switch to Chat GPT 4, and here actually we can see GPT-4.0 that is new. Let's click on it and activate it. Okay, now our active model is GPT 4.0. We are done, and I can see here GPT-4. Perfect. So let's ask something to Chat GPT 4. Write SEO blog article on life. Now Chat GPT started writing a perfect SEO blog. That's great. Also, as I've told you that we can use this integrating with VS Code by setting up an extension in VS Code. So if you want to know more about how we can set up in VS Code to fix or assist us with programming, we can ask directly from ChatGPT 4, right? Explain a few simple steps to integrate pieces with VS Code. So here are few simple steps that it helps us to set up with VS Code and make our programming more easier. So okay, if you have seen here, I have asked first query from ChatGPT 4.0 and this save this query in my history preferences because I am logged in with my account and that is totally free. And I have asked few query just for your explanation so that you can understand and you can set up these pieces on your computer, and you could also go here and you could toggle between OpenAI variant, Google variant, Anthropic variant, or Palm 2 variant. So I hope you enjoyed this perfect quality and to the point tutorial on how to use Chat GPT, any variant for free and unlimited. Thanks for watching, keep supporting, and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care. Bye.